Welcome back to Product Critique, your guide to the latest in beauty innovations. Today, we're diving into the world of nail care with a product that's making waves: the Karlash Nail Repair Kit. Whether you struggle with broken, cracked, or split nails, this kit promises an easy, quick fix that's essential for every beauty arsenal. The Karlash Nail Repair Kit stands out as the go-to solution for nail emergencies. It's designed to be not just a quick fix but a long-lasting remedy for damaged nails. This product is renowned for its effectiveness and ease of use, making it a must-have for anyone looking to maintain healthy, beautiful nails. If you're tired of dealing with weak or damaged nails, Karlash offers a reliable solution that goes beyond superficial fixes. Its innovative gel powder dipping system ensures a salon-quality finish at home, saving you time and money. In conclusion, the Karlash Nail Repair Kit is not just a product but a game-changer in the realm of nail care. Its innovative formula and ease of use make it a standout choice for anyone seeking healthier, stronger nails. Remember, beautiful nails are just a brush away with Karlash. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest beauty essentials. Until next time, stay beautiful.